So hello and welcome back into my channel. So today in this video we are going to open a pack. So this is a Crocs Classic Clog. So we are going to open this pack, rupees 2200 rupees. So we are going to open this pack. So let's see what is inside this pack. So the rupees, it is written here 2995, but in offer I am getting this pack in 2200 rupees. We are going to open this pack. So this is a Crocs original product. You can see this hook is present here. What is Crocs are this is a 8 number Crocs. We are going to open this pack. So it is already, so this is a very nice quality, very good quality material. So this is the original Crocs, and these are the holes for this water and air flow, and this is the grips. This is a Crocs Classic, and this is 8 11 9 11. This is a M size, and this is for women size, men and women. So made in Vietnam. You can see the grips. This is a very nice grip, and these are the holes for air flow. So we are going to try this, and you can see this. And this is a slate gray color. This is very versatile and nice color. This is most recommended color for you guys. So we can see this product now and try. So this is my first try. See this, how does it look like? So this is never comes out when you give this, and if you can give this front, look like this. This is a 8 size, so it is perfectly fits in my feet. And inside the grips are present. These grips you can stop from slips. So this is a very nice product. You can go through this product. So this is a pair of Crocs, you can see.